American.
Please, can you get me to 1 million?
Standard British.
Please get Sarah to 1 million.
Devonshire.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million followers?
German.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million followers?
Scottish.
Please, could you get me to 1 million followers?
Geordie.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million followers?
Brummie.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million followers?
Yorkshire.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million followers?
Scouse.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million?
Irish.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Russian.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Cockney.
Please, babes, can you get me to 1 million followers?
South African.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million?
Northern Irish.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
New Zealand.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
British RP.
Darling, please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
New York.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Australian.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Welsh.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
French.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Southern.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Jamaican.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million?
West Country.
Please, could you get Sarah to 1 million?
Spanish.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million?
Canadian.
Please, can you get Sarah to 1 million?
Dutch.
Please, can you get me to 1 million? TikTok is just not letting me get there, so I'm just trying so hard. Please, could you hit that follow button? That would really help. Hopefully, I can get there. It's only been 2 years. I'm kind of stuck at 940. I get to 960, and then I go back down. And then I get to 970, and then they take me back down. Like, what is TikTok doing? Like, please help me get there.